In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to the Philippines using Remitly and transfer it to GCash. To get started, open your Remitly account. Make sure you're signed in and on the main screen before moving forward. If this is your first time using the app or website, take a moment to look around so you can easily recognize the transfer options and destination settings. Once you're inside your account, look at the country shown at the top of the screen. Tap or click that country setting. Then select the Philippines as your destination. This step is important because it ensures the transfer options, delivery methods, and recipient details are set up correctly for the Philippines. After selecting the Philippines, find and click Send Money. This will begin the transfer process and take you to the section where you can choose who will receive the funds. At this point, if the recipient's contact information has already been saved in your account, you can simply click on that existing contact to continue. This is the quickest option and helps avoid re-entering the same details. If the contact has not been saved yet, choose New Contact instead. Then select their country and make sure it matches the Philippines so the transfer is routed properly. Next, choose the delivery method. For this transfer, select Mobile Wallet. After that, choose GCash as the mobile wallet provider. This tells Remitly that the money should be delivered directly to the recipient's GCash account rather than to a bank account or cash pickup location. You'll then move on to the payment method section. Select the payment method you want to use, then click Continue. From there, enter the recipient's account details carefully and follow the prompts shown on your screen. Take your time during this part, because even a small mistake in the account information can delay the transfer or send it to the wrong wallet. As you go through the final screens, review everything before submitting, especially the recipient details, delivery method, and payment information. It's always a good idea to double-check the spelling of the contact name and the wallet information exactly as requested in the app. Once everything looks correct, complete the transaction by following the remaining on-screen instructions, and that's it. That's how to send money to the Philippines using Remitly and transfer it to GCash.